Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. A cloud architect is writing an implementation plan for deployment of a clustered vRealize automation deployment that will use a third-party load balancer. Which two steps should the architect include within the implementation plan to ensure a successful deployment of vRealize automation? Choose 2. Option A. Disable all secondary nodes from the load balancer pools. Option B. Create and configure the monitoring of vRealize automation in vRealize Orchestrator. Option C. Ensure all the SAN certificates for vRealize suite are available. Option D. Enable all non-primary nodes on the load balancer. Option E. Turn off the health monitors or change them temporarily to default to ICMP and ensure traffic is still forwarding to the primary node. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Disable all secondary nodes from the load balancer pools. Option E. Turn off the health monitors or change them temporarily to default to ICMP and ensure traffic is still forwarding to the primary node. Question 2. Which two statements are correct for VMware Cloud Services Cloud Proxy? Choose 2. Option A. It helps connect to public cloud entities. Option B. It connects cloud services to on-premises networks. Option C. An over-deployment to an SC server is supported. Option D. It requires a load balancer. Option E. An over must be deployed on a vCenter server. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. It connects cloud services to on-premises networks. Option E. An over must be deployed on a vCenter server. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.